Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to recall an email in Outlook. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your Outlook. And guys, sadly, as of now, I still can't find a way on how to recall in the new Outlook. So in order for you to do this, first thing is just simply go for the help over here on the top, and now you will have an option over here. Go to classic Outlook. So just simply click on this one and it will leave new Outlook. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select skip feedback and it will automatically redirect you to the old one. So guys, once you are here on the classic Outlook, what you could try to do is just simply select this folder pane over here. And after that, just simply go to the sent folder. So guys, if you don't have the sent folder, you would just simply select the three dots over here, go for the folders, and you should be able to see here sent mail. Now just simply double click on the mail that you have. And now from here, just simply select the three dots over here, more commands, and just simply go for the actions over here and select recall this message, and you will have this pop up over here, and you can delete the unread copies of this message or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And after that, you could just simply select OK. And there you go. After that, just simply create a new one and should be able to do this. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.